So I saw your question, where you want to use a normal distribution to approximate discrete binomial distribution. You're having trouble when to add or subtract the 0.5 to x. So your example, probability when x is greater than 120. Well, that would mean, 121, 122, or etc. So probability x is greater than 120, it would be the same probability of x is greater than or equal to 121. So first thing you're going to need to do is convert that to a greater than or equal to. You always need that before you even think about adding or subtracting the 0.1. Then you always go on the opposite side of the inequality. So it's a greater than, and so you want to go 0.5 less than this. And I can just call it x sub c. So, take away 0.5 and it'll be 120.5. So again, first of all, you got to convert the greater than to greater than or equal to. And then you go 0.5, the opposite of the inequality. Since it's greater than, you'll take away a 0.5 from that. Hope that helps.